Have you been wondering which protective hairstyle is good for you and which one is bad for you? Which one is good for short-term use and which one is good for long-term use? Well, I need you to watch my video because in this video I'll be telling you my honest review on trendy protective hairstyles that I have personally done for over 10 months now and that have yielded results for me. At least I'm seeing where I'm going. As you can see, there is some good length coming. Mind you, in July last year, I used to be bald. I used to chop off my hair literally every 2 weeks. So I started doing these protective stylings and it is yielding. Yes, it is giving me results. Protective hairstyle number one is mini twist. So I started doing mini twist in last year in July, and the beauty with mini twist is that you can install them by yourself. They are easy to install. They don't even take a lot of time installing. Yes, maximally I used to take over I think 4 hours when I'm doing it by myself. Mind you, I started plaiting my own hair without even getting any classes or mentorship, nothing. I started from scratch and I woke up from bed and just started plaiting my hair. So that is the beauty with it, that it is easy to be installed. And the other thing is it is easy to take them down, those main twists. It's a matter of untwisting them. So it is very easy to take them down. And then also the other thing is it does not put a lot of tension on your hair because it's just a matter of twisting, so you will not put a lot of tension on your hair. Yes, but the bad thing that I found out about them is that they grow old very fast. Yes, mini twists grow old very fast because for me I used to install mine like today because I do weekly wash days. So after 1 week I used to wash my hair. Now what happens that after that 1 week, once I am done washing my hair, the hair becomes frizzy all of a sudden. So that means it used to force me to install new mini twists every after 2 weeks, which is not really what you want as a person because you don't have that much time to keep on, and plating every after 2 weeks. So I was like, okay, but I kept on pushing it for I think it was 6 months. Yes, I did it for 6 months and really I gained a lot from it. However, despite it being, it gets old very fast but it is really a good protective hairstyle, especially if you are having a sensitive scalp or you have a tender scalp, then mini twist will do well for you. The other thing that mini twist have is that your hair will appear fuller. Yes, it is going to appear like you have a lot of hair on your head. Yes, that's the beauty with mini twist. Now, after 6 months, I decided to try on mini braids. Now, what I found out on mini braids is that they are hard to install. They take some good time installing. Even if you're the one doing it, some people take even 2 days. For me, I used to take 8 hours to install them. And of course, it is really hard. They take a lot of time to install. Yes, and then also taking them down is, guys, it is the worst experience ever taking them down. You need a lot of time because remember our hair is too delicate, so you don't need to rush through the process. So you have to take your time, and this particular moment is very, very hard. Yes, so that's the bad thing about mini braids. The other bad thing about mini braids is that your hair will appear thinner, meaning if you have little hair on your head, it is going to appear thinner. That's why you see some people having spaces. Now for me, as you can see, I'm currently looking in my mini braids, but my hair does not really appear thinner, but for some people it does appear thin for some people. Yes, but for me, because of my hair is a dot on my scalp, so it does not really affect me, but for some people it will always appear thin, and that's the bad thing. But then the most good thing is that it is long lasting. Yes, it will appear neat all the time for even up to 2 months, because now for me my mini braids are coming to, I think, 8 weeks now. Hey. Mm-hmm. They are coming to 8 weeks now, and I'm really so happy. It's just the first time doing it. I have been doing mini braids for now, I think 5 months now. Yes, but yes, it is yielding. Now these ones have been there for some good time, and by looking ugly, no, they still look good on you, and they are long lasting. So if you're looking for a style that can keep you push for like 2 months or even 3 months, then this is the go-to mini braids. Yes, yes. So if you have been wondering which hairstyle you can do, it depends on what you really want. Yes, do you want to keep your hairstyle long, or do you want to keep them for a short time? So if you want for a short time, then you go for main twist. But if you want them to be there for a longer time, then it's better you take what, the main braids. Yes. If you've learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy hair growth tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and bye.
And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.